talk about the constant multiple rule, and it says that if f of x is equal to k times h of x, where k is a constant, then f prime of x or its derivative is equal to k, or the given constant, times the derivative of the given function. So let's say we have f of x is equal to 5 times x to the fourth. Then our given 5 here is what we call the constant, and x to the fourth is our h of x. So we can solve for its derivative in conjunction with the power rule. So f prime of x is equal to 5, which is the constant. Then apply the power rule. We have 4 times 4 times x raised to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 5 times 4 is 20. X 4 minus 1 is 3. So therefore our derivative is equal to 20x cubed. Another, if we have f of x is equal to 3 times x raised to the 2 thirds. So the derivative denoted by f prime of x is equal to 3, which is the constant. Then bring down the exponent to the base, times 2 thirds x raised to 2 thirds minus 1. So 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 3 is 2, or you may simply cancel out 3. Then x raised to 2 thirds minus 1 is equal to negative 1 third, or you may write it as 2 over the cube root of x. Another example, we have f of x is equal to 4 times the square root of x. So 4 times the square root of x can be written as 4 times x raised to 1/2. So let us get the derivative. F prime of x is equal to 4 times, so our exponent is 1/2 times 1/2 x raised to 1/2 minus 1 is equal to, so 4 times 1 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. X raised to 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2, or you may write it as 2 over the square root of x.